Some people say this thing about afdaliyat. They say, oh yeah, this is a secondary issue. Oh, it's a non-issue. It doesn't matter. You can believe anyone of the Sahaba to be afdal. It's okay. कुछ लोग ऐसी बातें भी करते हैं. वो कहते हैं कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. जी, किसी सहाबी को आप अफजल मान ले, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. यार फर्क पड़ता है. फर्क पड़ता है. It definitely makes a difference. When you deny the superiority of the mutlaq of Sayyiduna Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, it's not just koi aisa waisa masala. It is matter of daruriyat of Ahl Sunnah wal Jama'ah. That we have seen people who claim to be Sunni. Yesterday they were saying that it is okay to believe someone else to be afdal. They said, we say Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu is afdal. This is my belief. But if someone says Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhu is afdal, it is okay. If someone says any other Sahabi is afdal, it is okay. ये जो okay वाले हैं, ये भी इनमें भी फर्क है, गड़बड़ है. It is like somebody saying, I believe in the punishment of the grave, but somebody who denies it, he is okay. Yeah. I believe in the shafa'ah of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam on Judgment Day, but somebody who denies this, he is okay. What they are doing, they are validating bid'ah. And validating bid'ah, it's bid'ah itself. It is misguidance. Know this very well, that the Akabirin have mentioned. If you open the books of the Fuqaha, you look in Fatawa Razawiyah and you see, he has given reference upon reference that the one who denies the superiority of Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, he is misguided, he is mubtadi'. And the one who denies the khilafat of Siddiq and Farooq or insults Siddiq and Farooq radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma, the Fuqaha have also mentioned kufr of that person. So this is how important this issue is, my dear brothers and my dear elders. Yesterday those people were doubting the afdaliyah of Siddiq Akbar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. And you know what they did? After that, they started attacking Sahaba Kiram alayhim ridwan.